Today we're going to be making a sub $300 gaming PC. Now this isn't a high quality gaming PC. Some of the parts, I have no idea where they came from, hence the fire extinguisher. The power supply is extremely lightweight, which is kind of unsettling. And the RAM has a picture of a dragon on it. So yeah, you know that's good. But it was only 20 bucks, so, oh sorry, 24. I'll be the first to review it, so that'll be fun. And then we have this power supply, this 470 watt Captain power supply, which is very, very light. It's kind of unsettling how lightweight this is. But hey, it came in under budget, right? So can't be upset. Now, when I was unpacking this, I didn't notice it until I got further into the unboxing. Amazon Warehouse apparently left a Corsair Vengeance LPX, and normally these are kits sold in pairs, but for whatever reason they left this stick on the motherboard, which I was really surprised to find. These normally sell for $74.99 in a pair. If you divide that by 2, this stick is worth around $37.50. So that brings the new total of our build to only $262.05. I'll take it. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I purchased a lot of these parts from Amazon Warehouse. And in case you don't know, Amazon Warehouse is where Amazon will sell either returned or used goods through Amazon.com. Now, half the items are new, half are used, but in order to get it in under budget for $299, we ordered the motherboard, hard drive, and graphics card through Amazon Warehouse. And as you saw earlier, this actually worked in our advantage because we received an extra memory stick. And also, if you noticed earlier, the hard drive I got in was actually 750 gigabytes instead of the 500 gigabytes that I was supposed to get. So there were 2 errors in our favor, which was pretty awesome. So I'm keeping the build titled, $300 computer build, but we actually came out ahead with buying these parts used. And that's it for this video. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll include a link to all the items used in the description below. So if you guys want to try to replicate this build, I say go for it. Everything ran smoothly. I was able to play all the games, very competitively. And if you're on a tight budget, you really can't go wrong at this price point. I wasn't sure about how the RAM would work out, but after testing it, everything seemed to hold up. Now again, if you have extra money, I would definitely recommend going with a solid state drive. For the price point, if you absolutely have to stay under $300, this is the best build that I could find on Amazon.com. Now I might do other videos in the future. I might do one with Craigslist, or like trying to find the best value for under $300. But I used Amazon because I know a lot of people only have access to that, and it's easy for them to replicate a build using Amazon versus a deal I may find locally through Craigslist or something like that. But anyhow, just an idea. Let me know what you guys think. If you need help with anything, let me know. And looking forward to see what you guys make. Bye.